This is the prompt I used in creating this AI video. Head over to EnvatoElement.com or any video generation model of your choice. It can be Google VEO3 or any video generation tool, you know. For me, I will be using Envato Element. Log into EnvatoElement.com and click on Gen AI on the Gen AI section. You will see Video Gen, click on it and paste this prompt. You can modify it to fit the AI image you want to create. Photorealistic televised footage of a gorilla figure skating at a sports competition. Sound of skates blades slicing through ice. While this is generating, here are other cool stuff you can do on this platform. The image generation tool allows you to generate an AI image using a simple prompt. Here is the sample of what I did using the image generation. Maybe for instance, 2 gorillas fighting. You can also upload your image on the image edit section and make changes to suit what you are looking for. Example of this includes replacing an existing stuff on your image. They also have voice gen for realistic voiceovers. Here is how they sound like.
I'm Sandra, and I'm here to help you say it loud, bold, and with real impact.
I'm Matt, and there's nothing quite like the thrill of making music come alive through both instruments and pixels.
I'm Jessica, and I bring science and art together to create wonders.
The Music Gen allows you to generate musics from the platform. All right, our video is ready, and here is the result. Please, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next video.